What's going on, Anthony?
We broke down.
We couldn't get it started. Luckily, we are on a parking lot with a boucherie, an intermarché, and we even got a cinema. So
if all else fails,
then we can go to the movies tonight on my birthday. And luckily he found it. What happened?
You have a look into our let's say the heart of the car, which is the lithium battery and the car battery. And if you look at this, it's wobbly, so nobody tightened it. If you're watching it, Robert, you idiot. Finally, laundry. We found a laundromat. So
it's getting started.
Yeah, it's getting started. How do you do it? You put your wash in, your clothes in, or your towels.
And your beasts.
Try to understand French.
Or
and then choose the machine, pay, choose the program.
It's in English.
There you go.
Yeah.
Sounds
there
better.
You go.
If you turn it again, then it will unlock for some reason.
Ah.
There you go.
Okay, now wait for half an hour. I say it's time to eat the birthday cake.
And then the day went in a totally different direction. While we were at the washing station ready for a birthday cake of Lou's, a woman walked by with her son, and the son had a little cat in his hoodie, and they asked if they could ride with us because they were hitchhiking. Unfortunately, we were going the wrong direction. They were nice people, so we had to say no, we're going west, and they had to go east. They wanted to go to the direction of Germany, so they went on their way and they started looking for other means of transportation, other people that they could ride with. And we had a kind of a bad feeling after saying no, because they looked nice. So we found ourselves a little awkward. What do you do in such a situation?
Yeah, and it was also that there was a bottle of water broken, and we were still busy with sorting out the laundry, so there were also a lot of things happening at the same moment, and then they asked us for that hitchhike, so we were like, oh, oops. And we saw them still walking around the parking lot, and we were like, okay, maybe we had to ask them for if they want some food or drink, but they were not really looking like they were hungry, so I didn't want to insult them by asking that. Do you want some food? No, so that felt wrong, but suddenly I came with the idea, we have birthday cake, so we can invite them to eat a little piece of birthday cake with us. So I walked to them and I asked them, and they said, no, we are actually on a sugar challenge, so we don't eat sugar for a month, so we don't want birthday cake, but we were very happy if we could use your internet connection, because we ran out of internet connection. So and I said okay, and they said, wait a sec, we will come to the Himmer and then we'll see you. When I came back, the little boy, I think he was 10 or 11 years old, had made me a little bracelet for my birthday, so that was, well, it was very kind. I really felt like, well, this is my birthday. So yeah, and then we sat a little waiting for the laundry, having good conversations, and well, they were very like open-minded people and very interested, a very good connection we had. They were traveling for around 4 years, this way, walking, hitchhiking,
Yep.
sleeping in nature most of the time.
Just a sleeping bag. Found every night they find a nice quiet spot in the woods or wherever, and they started in Portugal and they were on their way to Germany, so that's quite a walk. That's quite a walk.
And sometimes they visited friends, or well, when they were in need of money, they just made a bracelet like these, and looked like they were not really needing so much things to be alive, just nature. They hated the city as well, just like us.
Yeah. But it was also amazing that that the boy was so very well educated. He spoke like three or four languages,
Yeah.
I think, fluently, and he was only 10-11 years old.
Yeah.
He is. So it was a truly amazing encounter.
Really taught my life, and also well, they wanted to find out where to go and which city would be the best to go to, and Anthony took the map of France, and then the mother said, well, you go figure it out because you have to learn it too. So it's really, well, yeah, learning by life, by the things
By
that happen,
experience,
by
yeah,
experience,
yeah.
and so that was wonderful to see.
And then it was almost time for us to move on because the laundry was already done for like more than an hour. But they were in not a good spot to get a hitchhike. The highway was closed. Where the exit was closed where we were. So it was like 6 or 7 kilometers to the next exit, and if you have an exit where there are trucks, they can get a more easy ride to the direction they wanted to go. So we asked, well, should we drive you to that exit so that you can find an easy ride? And then yeah, we did.
We took them in the car, and that was the first time that we had a cat in the car. So yeah, that was awesome.
They picked up the cat because he was found.
He was abandoned.
He was abandoned. He had a little brother that already died, so he was in a bad shape, and they took care of him, and they took him along that trip. So it was the most amazing encounter. We have been talking about it for days.
Where will they be, and what will they be doing this day, and shall they already be there? And we were wondering a lot, and it was like mind-blowing, and it was putting our little trip with this little guy or girl in another and totally other different perspective, because we were thinking like we are doing something really cool, and okay, we are doing something really cool, but this lifestyle is actually, well, so good. It felt like we met very happy people, and open-minded, happy, very centered, in contact with their own souls. For the privacy of these people, we won't mention their names, and we only share a few things, but we really have respect for their way of life, and well, looking forward to meet such people again.
And if you're looking, probably not, but we hope you're okay and that you arrived on your destination safely, and we hope to meet you soon.
And we want to thank you for this amazing experience.
Thank you very much. After that, a mind-blowing experience, really. Back to regular life, doing groceries, We still had to score some birthday dinner, which we did. We found fresh mussels.
And we needed to score some new sheets, blankets.
Oh yeah, still that.
Still that. We wanted to buy some sleeping bags, but they were very expensive and they were only the polyester things that we didn't want to have. So we bought some sheets at the supermarket, bed linen.
Bed linen and kind of a blanket. What it to keep us warm, but it was not necessary because it was steaming hot.
And we found us a wonderful place at Molinet, where we ate our
birthday dinner. What are you having?
Moule.
Moule.
Les moules. Mussels. Oh, they're really brilliant. With a bit of carrot.
And of course aioli.
Aioli.
Bon appetit.
Merci.
In France they have a lot of the communities are providing spaces for campers to stay. Mostly for free, and the only thing that you pay for is really to have some water and electricity. But there was even a self-cleaning toilet in this place, Molinet. So it was
with a lizard inside.
With a lizard inside. Yeah.
With a lizard inside.
So thank you to the community of Molinet, and on our way we go.
We're at a fantastic new spot again, France Passion, and we made new friends. Not yet, but sit.
Doucement, doucement, doucement.
Lekker. Yum 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 yum. Puto.
Yeah.
There are so many flies here that I made a Ouija board, kind of an oracle with all things that is going to happen. But when I need flies, they don't come. They come, but they are sitting in other places, like on my arms, on my coffee. Oh yeah. 30 days of luck. We are going to visit the bisons, said this fly.
Street art in the middle of the woods under a route nationale. Somebody really had a blast here.
It's the path to the stars! Oh yeah.
Watch your step.
Yo.
Oh,
share your hand.
Mother Nature, thank you.
Wee-hoo.